Introduce highlight features and fast overview of Leaf Blower Cordless Casturu 460 CFM 130 mph electric leaf blower with 4.0 amp battery and charger. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Let it be your life helper. Cordless design allows you to clean up anywhere wanted. Whether dust blowing, leaves blowing, or snow blowing, our leaf blower can meet your multiple daily needs. It with powerful copper motor and turbine tech to realize 130 mph blowing speed and 460 CFM air volume. 1.2 m adjustable shoulder strap and the lightweight 6.6 pounds design makes one-handed use a breeze. No need to bend over, no need to stretch your arms. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.